Product Spotlight CoriolisMaster. The ideal combination of performance, size, and affordability all in one meter. The CoriolisMaster offers high measurement accuracy, easy installation, and a compact design. This meter is inherently maintenance-free due to its space-saving design that has no moving parts and larger tube diameters, offering minimal pressure loss. The CoriolisMaster is also versatile, offering a variety of transmitter options tailored for specific applications. ABB now offers VeriMas as an option. An integrated device verification and diagnosis, which includes a built-in erosion monitoring function that creates a fingerprint of the measuring device. As a basis for automatic, continuous monitoring. When used with the FlowX, VeriMas allows you to schedule, alarm and print out reports at any time, from anywhere, via internet connection. Easy setup functionality, compact design, near zero pressure loss, low operating cost, multiple transmitter options, optional VeriMas FlowX offer customizable, convenient reports. See our products at footsupply.com.